In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Bing Maps and Google. By the end, you'll know how to use Bing to find the right Google page and switch to the correct Google account inside Google Meet, so your meetings and settings line up exactly the way you expect. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Bing. In the search bar, type Google account. Beginning with a search is helpful because it takes you straight to official Google pages without needing to remember exact URLs. On the results page, look for the trusted Google listings. You'll see a variety of Google services, and for what we want to accomplish, go ahead and open the result labeled Google Meet, Online Video Calls, Meetings and Conferencing. Even though we searched for Google account, this Meet landing page is a quick place to confirm and change which Google profile you're currently using before you schedule or join any calls. Once the Google Meet landing page loads, move your attention to the top right corner. You should see your profile avatar. This might be your photo or just the first letter of your name inside a circle. Click that profile icon. This opens the account menu, which is the control center for switching between profiles. If you don't see a photo, don't worry. The initial icon works exactly the same. And if you're not signed in yet, Google will prompt you to sign in first before showing this menu. With the account menu open, choose the Google account you want to use. Select the one that matches the calendar, contacts, and Meet settings you need. As soon as you click it, the page will refresh under that account. So any meetings you create or join will now run from the correct profile. This is especially handy if you juggle separate accounts for work, school, or personal use, and you want to avoid mix-ups like sending invites from the wrong calendar. A few quick tips as you work through this. Always double-check the account avatar after switching. It's the fastest visual confirmation that you're in the right place. If you often switch, consider keeping the Google Meet landing page bookmarked so you can get to this menu quickly. And if you use multiple Google accounts every day, it can be helpful to keep each one in a separate browser profile or window, so it's instantly clear which context you're in. That's it. Search with Bing, open Google Meet, click your profile, and pick the account you want. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.